Hadin ke Jingwan Jngoh ke Jing Julor na kadao ke Jing Jerusalem ha ka thain lom shnong. Umentri rang ba ke jalau Conrad ke sangma ka arpu atre mentau benai pat. Ula Leit Jngoh saya ke South Garo Hills District. Kabla mat ke Jing Julor ke bajur bah na kadao ke Jing Jur pelat uslab ha ka tayo ke beladam. Hagani ke Jing Leit Jngoh umentri rang ba ula shong na Lieng na karukol ban poi sha siju kumba arkantai ai.
We are in Karukol right now, and we are trying to access some of the locations which are completely cut off because the roads are completely blocked, and the only way to access those locations is by boat, and people are going through this almost every day. So number one, we want to also go and see that, and number two, we want to assess the road damages out there physically and see the whole thing myself, so that we're able to take necessary action at the earliest. And the extent of damages is great, really high. Many roads have been washed out, many areas, the landslides are huge, and I think this is one of the most devastating kind of flood situations that we may have faced in recent past. And it will take some time to restore. The district has been out of power for almost 5 days now. We are hopeful that in a few days, maybe a day or so, we should be able to restore the power back here. And we're hopeful that even the road connectivity, at least the clearance of the roads, should be done at the earliest. So right now, as I said, we are here to take this this journey here, and it'll take us about an hour and a half, close to 2 hours to get to Siju. So that's what we're here for today.
Na siju par umentri rang ba ulaya da ka kejar kumba arkanta shitengi ai ha ke jingjingai ka 10 kilometer ban poi sharong dong.
So after 2 hours of travel, now we have reached up Siju, and it took us about 2 hours to get here. And this is the first location. As I said, this is cut off from both sides, hence the only way to get here is to get through boat. And that's what we are. And now we're going to walk for a few kilometers and then see some of the affected areas out here. How's that? So you heard that their whole house is gone. So Isaac, take a note of this. Video has already written the details, and he knows the details. The video from here. And also the DC also is aware about that. So make sure that the house is done at the earliest. Don't wait for all the sanction on all these things. Get it done through the appropriation of it. In the Siju PHC, there were about 4 of them who were quite seriously injured, but they are recovering now. And after meeting the injured people out there, now we have come to the place where the landslide is, and beyond this again vehicles cannot go. So we'll have to now walk from here another 5 kilometers to get to the other side where the connectivity is there. So this is the next part of our journey from here. Thank you.
Habra poya kene ke Jaka umentri rang ba ula sakhi de laki jongki khamat ye ke jing sangsot ka ba kane ka than kalamat na ka daw ke jing Jerusalem. Ki Jaka Kiba Julor ke Jing Julor ke bajur ki long ke Siju Cave ke Jaka ke bakhring bhai ki nong choko kai prathai bar kumjuru ye ki surok ki ban poya kene ke Jaka. Umentri rang ba kene ke Jingwan Jngoh ula kular borwan ra biang ye ke jingpen bhai kene ki surok wala da kan shimpor da ki banai.